Hey, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking the messy, uncomfortable reality of self-transformation.
Tell me this, have you ever looked in the mirror and just felt like a complete stranger?
Forget the sudden motivation hype. Real change isn't a quick hustle. It's a deep, psychological identity shift.
So, here's the absolute truth. Your core identity and subconscious beliefs gotta shift way before your behavior does.
We're walking through the whole journey today. Childhood self, adulthood mask, the old self dying, and finally, rebuilding. Picture your authentic childhood self as a simple, bare stickman. Sadly, that stickman learned to disappear to fit in. To survive, we bury that true stickman self under heavy costumes and masks. We literally call this disguise adulthood.
True transformation? It's about stripping away those heavy societal masks to reveal your simple, authentic stickman essence again. Why do we relapse? Well, your brain fights back using subconscious fear, comfort and familiarity, and deep emotional conditioning.
It's wild, but your brain literally rewired itself to become someone else entirely, just to feel safe.
But eventually, you hit an agonizing breaking point. It's the painful night your old ego actually begins to die. It's that absolutely terrifying, visceral moment when you realize you no longer recognize the person you were.
And get this, as you shed those masks, the external world will push back hard against your evolution. This creates an intense isolation phase. Becoming your true self actually brings a very quiet, uncomfortable loneliness. Stripping down to your authentic self isn't glamorous at all. It's a solitary, deeply uncomfortable, naked experience. So, forget slapping band-aids on temporary habits. This whole phase is about building a completely new, lasting inner foundation.
But honestly, here's the empowering part. You finally get to rebuild yourself completely, right from the inside out.
You consciously break those old patterns, entirely rewire your self-image, and boldly reshape exactly who you become. Because underneath all those heavy, discarded masks is a brilliant fire that was always waiting inside of you. The masks are gone, so I gotta ask, what fire are you finally ready to ignite today?